Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Lenovo V-Series V15 business laptop, a true powerhouse designed for professionals who demand the best. Let's dive in and see what makes this laptop a top contender in the business world. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go, the Lenovo V-Series V15 offers the perfect blend of performance, style, and functionality. With a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD display, powerful AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, and a whopping 40 GB of RAM, this laptop is built to handle all your professional needs with ease. First up, let's talk about the display. The Lenovo V15 features a 15.6-inch Full HD display that delivers crisp and clear visuals, perfect for presentations, video conferences, and everyday tasks. The anti-glare coating ensures comfortable viewing even in bright environments. One of the standout features of this laptop is the full-sized keyboard with a numeric keypad, making data entry and calculations a breeze. The keys are well-spaced and provide a satisfying typing experience, ideal for long work sessions. Under the hood, the Lenovo V15 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, paired with an incredible 40 GB of RAM. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Whether you're running complex software, managing large datasets, or editing high-resolution videos, with a massive 2 TB SSD, you'll never have to worry about running out of storage space. Enjoy quick boot times, fast file transfers, and ample room for all your important files, applications, and multimedia content. Connectivity is key in today's digital world, and the Lenovo V15 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a range of ports, including HDMI for external displays, an RJ45 Ethernet port for reliable wired connections, multiple USB ports for peripherals, and a webcam for video conferencing. Stay connected with the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, ensuring faster and more stable wireless connections. Whether you're uploading large files, streaming video, or collaborating online, you'll experience smooth and uninterrupted connectivity. The Lenovo V15 comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, offering a host of productivity features and security enhancements. Enjoy the intuitive interface, enhanced multitasking capabilities, and robust security features that keep your data safe. Your security is a top priority. The Lenovo V15 includes advanced security features, like a fingerprint reader and TPM 2.0 chip, providing an extra layer of protection for your sensitive information. Despite its powerful specs, the Lenovo V15 remains remarkably portable. With a sleek and lightweight design, it's easy to carry with you wherever you go. And with a long-lasting battery, you can stay productive all day without worrying about finding a power outlet. Whether you're working remotely, traveling, or moving between meetings, the Lenovo V15 is your reliable companion, delivering the performance you need without weighing you down. Thank you for joining us for this in-depth review of the Lenovo V-Series V15 business laptop. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, stay productive and stay connected. Thanks for watching. For more reviews and tech insights, Click on the videos on your screen and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.